Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
नमस्ते.
Bye.
अलविदा.
Yes.
हाँ.
No.
नहीं.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद.
You're welcome.
आपका स्वागत है.
Sorry.
माफ कीजिए.
How are you?
कैसे हो?
Good.
अच्छा.
Bad.
बुरा.
It's okay.
ठीक ठाक.
Maybe.
शायद.
Of course.
जरूर.
I.
मैं.
You.
तुम.
You.
आप.
He.
वह.
She.
वह.
We.
हम.
They.
वे.
What?
क्या?
When?
कब?
Where?
कहाँ?
Why?
क्यों?
How?
कैसे?
Quiz time.
तुम. तुम. जरूर. जरूर.
The answer is
धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद. अलविदा. अलविदा.
The correct answer is
कब? कब? माफ कीजिए. माफ कीजिए.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next video.